Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see perpendicular and parallel lines. Actually, we are supposed to do the practice book now, but before that, I want you to revise what is actually perpendicular and parallel line. Okay, so now let's see how to identify perpendicular lines. Perpendicular line is nothing but the lines which are just crossing each other at some fixed point and is at right angle. So if you take a grid box, actually grid lines in the sense square boxes, okay, there if one line touches the other line at 90 degrees, then these two lines are perpendicular. Okay, and if we have slant lines, then in that case also you are going to see that it should have a right angle where they are crossing each other. Okay, but I say the easiest way to check that the lines are perpendicular or not is that it is in a L shape. See, L shape. Okay, when you consider from the top, the upper part is in L shape. If you consider from the bottom, the lower part is in L shape. So this way you can say that these two lines are perpendicular. Now let's see the practice book 3B, page 121. So the first question is to find that each pair of lines are perpendicular or not. We just need to circle yes or no. So see the first one. See, it has an L shape. It means it is yes, perpendicular. Next, it is not having L shape, so no. See the third one. It is again L shape. It is yes. And the last one, not an L shape, so no. Okay. Similarly, you can do the next page. Now, you have to draw perpendicular lines to each of the following lines shown. So, this is the given line. We are supposed to draw the perpendicular line. And also remember that better to draw the line at equal distance from the center in the opposite direction to cross the line so that it makes a right angle. So I am drawing it again in a way that it makes a right angle with XY. So this is the line I have drawn. So I get a right angle and I'm just naming this line as Z. Similarly, the second question is the same. Now let's see the third one, C bit, where CD is the given line. So we are drawing a perpendicular line to CD, which has to make a right angle. So this will be the perpendicular line. Okay. Next, let's see what are parallel lines now. Okay. So before doing the problems based on parallel lines, I want you to see book 3, page number 245. This is enough to follow that how to draw a parallel line. If see the step 2 on Page number 245. See, if there is a line given which is a straight line, okay, which is a straight standing line, then you are going to count equal number of square grid boxes. If you are taking 3 boxes from the second point, then you should take 3 boxes from the first point also. If you are taking 2 boxes, again 2 boxes from the first point also. So at a distance, at an equal distance, you are going to draw the parallel line. And see page number 246, where we can see slant lines. So when slant lines are given, the step 2 given on page 246 is enough to understand how to draw parallel lines if the slant line is given. See, MN is the given slant line, so you are going to count 1 square box, 2 square box. Again, from N, 1 square box, 2 square box. Then you are going to join these 2 lines, these 2 points to form a line that will be parallel to MN. That will be parallel to MN. Okay. Now let's see the practice book. Practice book, parallel lines, page number 124. The first question is each pair of lines parallel? Circle yes or no. Okay. Here also again, see, these 2 lines are not going to meet each other. Okay. And they are at an equal distance. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So these are parallel lines. Now see the next one. Here, check the boxes. How many? 1, 2, 3. And from the second point, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it is not at an equal distance. So this is not parallel. So the answer is no. Now let's see the next question. Here also count the boxes from the first point, 1, 2, 3. Now the second point has how many square boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is not parallel. Now circle no. Now see here. Here the boxes are 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. So they are parallel. Okay. Similarly, you can check for the next page. And when you go for page number 126, you can see the question of using a ruler, draw a line that is parallel to each of the following lines. Okay. To form the parallel lines, just refer book 3, page 245, 246. Step 2 is enough to follow this. Okay. Now count 1, 2. So again you will count 1, 2. Okay. You will draw a line so that we get a parallel. Here also count the boxes, 2 boxes at least, and then draw the line so that you get a parallel line. Now page number 127. Again check for the L shape for perpendicular line. The question is each pair of lines perpendicular? Circle yes or no. See, this is in the L shape. So the answer is yes. Here also L shape. The answer is yes. Here, see, we don't see any L shape from anywhere. So that is why the answer is no, they are not perpendicular. Here also again, we can't see any L shape. So the answer is no. Now let's see page number 128. Here you are going to check that is each pair of lines parallel. Yes or no. See, here the boxes are equal, so the answer is yes. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also the answer is yes. But here the distance is different. So the answer is no. Here also the distance is different. So the answer is no. Now see page number 129. Draw a line perpendicular to AB. Again you will see best option to draw the line from the center. So since 8 boxes are there, I am drawing a line after 4 boxes to get it through the center and make a right angle. Okay. Now draw a line parallel to AB. So what are you going to do here again? Count the boxes, equal number of boxes, and then draw a line to join and make a parallel line. Okay. Hope you all have understood, and this may be helpful for you. See you next time. Bye bye.